Welcome again. In this video, we tell about Flexbox, short for Flexbox layout, flexible box layout. A CSS layout model that helps to you arrange items neatly in a row or a column like organizing a box on a shelf. Think of it this way. You have a shelf and different size box. Flexbox lets to you align them left, center and right, even space them evenly, stretch them or stack them vertically. It's especially useful when building responsive design that look good on all screen size. Flexbox works on the two main parts: Flex container, Flex item. Flex container, the parent element that get display flex. The child element inside that container called flex item. You control layout using properties like justify content, align the item horizontally, align the item vertically. Let's look at a simple code example. Here's the code you look on the screen. This places three boxes in a row. Space them out evenly and vertically center. It's clean, simple and flexible. Flexbox is a game changer for modern web design. It makes responsive layout easier, align item become effortless. It works well for both horizontal and vertical layouts. When whether it's a navigation bar, product cards, or aligning content, Flexbox helps you build layout that adapt beautifully to any screen.